Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, my personal favorite, one of my personal, okay, I can say one and only favorite brand of mine. At least, Lamborghini is the very first car I fell in love with. Specifically the Murcielago, because of that car I fell in love with cars. So, it opened a new dimension for me, if that's what I can say. Okay, so I bought it for 179. I do have a yellow one which I bought in Dubai. So it is right up here in this uh, you know display case which I'm having. But I'm not going to tilt the camera right now because I don't want to mess the setup now. So this one is a white one which I really loved. I'm really wishing they will release a black color soon because I really want to get the black color. I'm hoping that they will release because black color is the actual color of the car. Sesto Elemento means sixth element, which is the carbon fiber, which is black color, which is the original color of the car. Okay, let's unbox this. I'm not sure why Hotwheels are giving a white color one and yellow color one. At least white looks really beautiful, but yellow looks like literally shit. If you guys saw my unboxing video like a year back, you might have known that. I still love the car, but not the paint job. I'm really happy at least they released the white color now. But I'm not happy that they released the white color with a paint defect. You can see here, right? Right out of the box, as usual. Mattel is not going to back down. They're going to give you products for 117 or even 299, but with a very shitty quality control. So the headlights are painted, okay, or else this car will look like a half sacked banana. There are no detailing here whatsoever, which is shit. Okay, the wheels are pretty standard, nothing new here. The chassis is plastic, body is metal. Spoiler is also metal. At least they did they did some paint job here, for the. I'm not sure. This is supposed to be the exhaust. Let me just check. 1 minute, guys. I'm still not sure. Even with this casting, I'm still not sure. It is a bit dirty. I need to clean it again. I think this is the exhaust. So if I'm remembering correct, from enough as rivals, with this car only I beat the entire game. But it's been more than like what, 4 years? No, more than 5-6 years, I guess. Yeah. So this is, I think this is the exhaust. If I'm not wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I'm really sorry. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Being my favorite car, I really want this to roll. So, but Mattel already fucked up a lot in this casting. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it does roll really well. With a little bit force, it rolls really well. It does have a lot of wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but still, it rolls really well, which I like. And the interior looks really awesome with the red contrast there. So overall, I like the casting, but I don't love it because of the serious issues with the paint and all these things. I wish they actually did some better job, or at least they could have given a black color one, so that these things would have been hidden even if they had some scratches. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.